In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate product in Canva, 5 minutes. First, log into Canva so you're ready to design. In the search bar, type video and pick a template that matches your brand vibe, or start with a blank canvas if you want full control. A standard 1080p video is a great starting point for social posts and ads. Bring in your product by uploading photos or clips from your device. You'll find the Uploads tab on the left. Once they're uploaded, drag your media onto the canvas. If you want that clean studio look, select your product photo, open Edit Photo, and use BG Remover to cut out the background. This is a pro feature. After it processes, add a new page and place the cutout there so you've got a dedicated slide for your hero shot. Give your scene a backdrop. You can pick a solid brand color from the background swatch or search elements for gradients. Adjust transparency to keep your product front and center. To add energy, head to elements again and drop in shapes, blobs, or themed images. Think subtle accents that frame the product rather than compete with it. Keep the palette cohesive for a polished look. Add your copy with text boxes, a short headline for the product name, a line for a key feature or benefit, and a simple call to action. Use clear fonts, strong contrast, and a visual hierarchy. Big headline, medium subhead, smaller details, so it's readable at a glance. Now animate. Click any element, choose animate, and try presets like baseline for text or pop for graphics. For custom motion, select create an animation, then click and drag the element to record its path. Great for gentle slides, reveals, or floating movement. To build momentum, duplicate the page, and make small changes. Nudge the product, resize a shape, or rotate an accent. These subtle variations create a natural sequence when played back. Between pages, click the plus icon and add transitions. Match and move is excellent for smooth continuity, while flow adds a softer change of scene. For audio, open the music library and pick a track that fits your brand. Adjust page durations so beats hit on key moments, and if you have access, use Beat Sync to automatically align cuts to the music. Preview your video from start to finish. Tweak timing, pacing, or contrast if anything feels off. When it's ready, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 Video. That's it. Your animated product video is ready to post.